Hi, this is Matt with QuickRegisterSEO.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use instant replies on Facebook to build your mailing list. But before I do, I'd really like to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button and the notification button so you'll be first to know about these videos. So, okay, this is what you do. First of all, you log into your Facebook account or go to your Facebook page. You go to Settings. Then you go to Messaging. Then you go to Response Assistant. Jump to this section. And what you can do is you can set up a little autoresponder and customize it so that when anybody sends you a message on Facebook, they get your message. So here I put in, thank you for contacting us. We will reply ASAP. In the meantime, please download $597 of free marketing software as a gift from us. Oh, I made a mistake here. From us here. And I give the URL. And they can go to this URL and download free software. In order to download free software, they need to join my mailing list. But this is a clever way to increase your professionalism on Facebook and to get people to join your mailing list. It is another way to put a call to action. They like it because they're getting free software, and then you respond to them on Facebook. Now, I didn't even know this existed a few minutes ago. I just had this notice on Facebook, so I figured I'd figure out how to use it. It looked like a pretty good tool. So, again, all you do is you come to your page, and right here you click Settings. You go to Messaging. Then you go to Response Assistant. Jump to section, come down here, and just right here, you can customize your own instant autoresponder message so that when anybody sends you a message on Facebook, this is the reply that you will get. And why not put a call to action to join your newsletter? I wouldn't do a heavy pitch in there. I would just do something, offer them something for free, join your newsletter, create goodwill. I hope you found this helpful. I think it's a neat little addition you could have to your marketing. Why not optimize your Facebook marketing to get as many opt-ins as possible? If you found it helpful, please like and share. And you're welcome to embed this video on your blog. If you have a question, have a question put a question in the comments area. And hey, don't forget to download your free software. This is good for you too. coolmarketingsoftware.com/free-software. I'll put the link in the description below. You can get your free software as well. Probably over $1,000 of free SEO and marketing software. I'm being very conservative from $597. I just like that. I like that number, but it's probably worth way more than that. Considering I've seen people charging huge monthly fees to use software that does the exact same thing. So in any case, this is Matt from QuickRegisterSEO.com and CoolMarketingSoftware.com. I hope this tip helps you. Thank you so much.